ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసిరమ్మా? ఎస్, ఆర్ యు దేర్? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Yes, someone is asking me doubt. Yes, Anjali. No one is talking today. What happened? Yes. Are you all there? Students, I'm audible? Am I audible? Yes. So, here, the last tell me, who did the homework? Can I know who have done the homework? Who all done the homework? Anusha? Anusha? Ma, I'm not able to hear your voice. What happened?
Madam.
What happened? Everyone is unmute. Saleha?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, ma? No one is talking.
I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, madam.
I did
Tell me.
homework, but some problems I'm not getting.
Tell me.
Some entries I'm not
Any
getting.
doubt?
Yeah, doubt.
मैं आप लोग सालेहा, मैं आप लोगों को मेरे से बात करो बोली, बाजू वालों से नहीं.
नहीं, I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am. We have doubts in some problems.
Tell me. Which problems?
In triple column cash book, which you send the seventh problem.
Which problem?
Seventh one, ma'am.
Okay.
Which one you send? No? Your number is seventh one. 5th January.
Here, 5th January, cash received from sale of investment. Means they have received. Means where you have to write?
This side.
On a debit side.
Cash is coming.
You have cash received. So you will be writing what is cash received means from the sale. From the sale means two sales. To sale of investment you have to write. That is, investment is 4,900, out of which out of the 4,900 they have deposited 1,250 into the bank. So 4,900 में से 1,250 निकाल दिया तो कितना रहता?
We have to minus that.
3650.
So 3650 you have to write in the cash column, and your 1,250 is there, no? That 1,250 you will getting the contra entry. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
You have received the cash from the sale of investments. Means you will be writing the sale of investment on a debit side, and out of the 4,900 is the sale of investment. From that they have removed the 1,250, and the remaining amount 3,000. How much, ma?
3650. 3,650.
3,650. That will be deposited. That will be the contra entry. That will be
No,
the
ma'am. Remaining is 1250.
No. 3650 you will be writing in a cash column.
Yes.
And the remaining 1,250 is there, no? That 1,250 is the contra entry.
So we should write again a contra entry in both this debit and credit side.
That is debit side and the credit side. That is a deposited into bank.
Means
Deposit into the
5th
bank means
January
what
have
entry?
two types of.
Deposit in a bank means what is the entry?
Deposited bank account data to cash account data.
So here to cash, you will be writing in a 1250 in the bank column and the by cash, by bank in the cash column. 1250. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
In same problem, 18th one, January 18th.
Yeah. Bank collected dividends on shares. Bank collected dividends on shares is a 360 and purchased from Wahid for cash. Bank collected dividends. Bank collected dividends means buy dividends. Buy dividends, you have to write 360 in the bank column.
Remaining 2,400, ma'am.
That is buy purchases.
Ma'am, which question this?
In cash column, no?
Seventh column. Seventh question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Seventh question.
Page number.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
one we are writing in credit side, no?
Yes.
So 316 bank column, remaining 2,400, ma'am.
In the cash column. It's
Means,
clearly
okay,
given no
ma'am.
cash.
In credit side, 3016 bank column, 2,400 in cash column. Okay, ma'am?
Next entry you have to write buy purchases.
Ma'am,
Take bank
the problem,
dividend
ma'am.
on buy dividend on shares.
Yes.
That is in the bank column 360. And the
Yes.
next is the buy purchases 2,400 in the cash column.
In credit side only.
In credit side purchases, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sixth problem, ma'am.
Seventh one.
Sixth problem, 18th entry.
Next.
18th entry. Sixth problem, 18th entry. Receipt from Suresh.
Next problem, ma.
Sixth
Sixth
one.
problem, 18th entry.
Which problem?
Sixth,
Sixth problem.
18th entry.
18.
Yeah, ma'am.
So here received from Suresh a check.
Yeah.
A check for 1970. That
Yes.
is in full settlement. So here to Suresh
Yeah.
means here you have received, no, you are getting the cash.
G.
So to Suresh, 1970 in the bank column.
Okay.
What is the difference?
Discount column.
2000 कितना difference है?
Remaining 13
30
discount
rupees.
column.
30 rupees.
In the discount column.
Discount column.
Yes.
Okay. And the 21
And
is
the same
contra entry,
25th
ma'am.
one, the same check
21.
was dishonored. So here you write by Suresh. By Suresh. In the bracket column, dishonored. In the bracket you write dishonored.
Yeah.
25th one. In the bracket it is a dishonored. And in the bank column, how much you'll write? 1970.
1970. And 21 is contra entry, ma'am.
Wait, 1 minute.
Okay.
Which one, ma?
20.
20.
Is it contra entry?
Yes. Drew from bank. What you are getting?
Cash, no?
Cash you are getting. From where
Yeah.
you are getting?
Bank.
Bank. Cash account data to bank account.
Okay.
Deposited means bank account data to cash account.
Yes.
Here you have taken. So cash account data to bank account.
And 31 bank charges as per passbook.
By bank charges.
By bank charges.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, which problem, ma'am?
Sixth problem.
Ma'am, eighth problem. Maintain cash book means which cash book, ma'am? Single column, double column, or triple column?
See here, in this you are finding the
Eighth one.
discount. In this you are finding the discount.
No,
You are
ma'am.
finding the cash.
Yeah.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
finding
Finding
discount
bank.
in 10th entry.
बैंक ही दिख रहा, कैश भी दिख रहा.
Discount भी है, ma'am.
Understood? Don't worry. In the textbook they'll give like that only, but in the exam they will write you calculate, that is maintain the 3-column cash book or the triple column cash book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, ma.
1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am, sales book, sixth problem. I have a doubt.
Sales book, 6th problem.
Sixth one.
What you have?
Please, can you explain it once?
Which one you want?
First one, Bill and Co.
Here. Here you see, the column will be same as a purchase book only, sales book also.
Yes.
So here, what is that? Prepare the sales book. So goods are sold to Birla and Company. Sold.
Sales.
So Birla and Company, that is on October 2nd.
Yes.
Birla and Company, direct amount you have to write 12,000.
12,000.
Here, Kamlesh and Company purchased goods.
We should write like Kamlesh and Co. dot in the below goods rupees 4,000. Like,
No, that should not be written because they have which book you have to maintain?
Ma'am,
Sales book.
purchase book.
this problem answer is not tally, ma'am.
Tally नहीं होता ये.
Answer आ रहा ही नहीं.
कौन सा?
यही वाला.
कौन सा वाला?
Problem sales purchase book.
Please, ma'am, can you give it?
Purchase book. कौन सा? तुम लोग हम लोग 6th problem बोल रहे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth problem
Sales
last
book.
time आप कराए नहीं, ma'am. Last time problem. Narsima and Company books purchase book.
ठीक है ना वो?
Page number 93.
Textbook now I am not having beta.
Okay, ma'am. Extra. Zero added, ma'am. This problem.
Ma'am,
How to get
ma'am,
answer?
textbook में नहीं है, तो हम लोग कैसा करना मैम? क्वेश्चंस नहीं मालूम है, जैसा मैम इंटरेस्ट ऐसा करना बोल रहे. पहले भी आप दिए.
Clearly दे रहा ना? Prepare the sales book and relevant ledger account from the following transaction.
We have to make only sales book.
Sales book only you have to write.
पढ़ते में आप ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक कराए थे मैम, वो भी प्रॉब्लम हम लोग के बुक में है.
Ma'am,
ये है ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक कराए सो.
हाँ मैम.
क्या होना आपको?
in 12th problem, 20 entry.
ये रघुराम का कराए ना.
12th problem, 20 entry.
12th problem किसने? आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में या मैं होमवर्क दिए सो?
नहीं, जो आप होमवर्क देते हैं उसमें 12th problem,
12th one में?
column cash book.
कौन सा? 12th one कौन सा?
20 issue check in favor of Nanda.
कौन सा?
20
20 है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
12th problem जो आप होमवर्क दिए थे वही है.
In homework, there is no 12th problem.
No 12th problem.
वो कहाँ से
In
लिए?
group they have shared.
You can read out my first.
Okay. Issue check in favor of Nanda in settlement of the amount due to him, rupees 400 less 2% discount.
It's not a petition.
It's
Not
not
there.
a homework.
It is not a homework.
Okay, ma'am, you can tell orally, no? I'm not getting this one.
I must know the no where which one is that?
I'm reading out. Issue check in favor of Nanda.
Madam, that class is
Edama?
मैडम ये प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है ना
Problem ही नहीं है.
नहीं है आप
In
होमवर्क में
group, they
दिए
have shared this one.
we are seeing in the group there is no problem.
Send the
What
pic.
problem they have shared? Many of
wait
them
a
are
minute.
shared.
We will check.
Okay.
So now everyone is able to do the triple column cash book.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
So here in the first unit, let me see your syllabus.
Yeah.
अपना फर्स्ट यूनिट हो गया नामा.
Yes.
फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग एंड इंट्रोडक्शन भी हो गया.
Okay.
Yes.
Accounting principles and standards, accounting process, and three books we have finished. That is a big subdivision of journals, cash book, and the cash book
Yes.
too.
Yes.
This triple column,
Yes, ma'am.
triple column, double
Double.
column, and the
Single
single
column.
column.
We have to
And
start
now-
the third block.
So in this, tomorrow I'll let you know this one. So next I'll be going with the fourth block.
Fourth block.
Block 4, depreciation and rectification of errors.
Okay. Then third block, ma'am.
So in this, we'll be having with the depreciation and trial balance.
Okay.
What's my point?
Okay, ma'am. Single column, double column, same, ma'am.
In ma?
Single column, double column చెప్పలేదు కదా మ్యామ్ ఓన్లీ ట్రిపుల్ కాలమ్ చెప్పారు సేమ్
Single column lo, sorry, double column lo discount ఉంటుంది. And cash and bank will be the one column.
Okay, ma'am.
Got my point?
Ma'am,
Cash
please,
and bank-
can you explain that 6-1 cash sales book? 6-1 sales book.
Here, goods sold. Here he asked to prepare what book? Sales book.
Sales book.
So goods sold to Birla and Company. So Birla and Company, you have to write an outer column 12,000. And third,
Yes.
Accumulation Company purchased. Purchased means that is not the sale.
Nishat.
Purchased.
Commerce-11 company purchase
Goods from us. Goods from
Means-
us.
means we are selling, no ma'am.
We have sold. So that you will write Accumulation Company 4,000.
Yes.
And your goods sold to Mallika and Company 4,800.
Yes.
Birla and Company purchased goods from us 1,300.
Yes.
And here cash received from Birla and Company.
Cash 15,000 we are receiving.
So we are not writing this in the sales book because
Yes.
the cash, when this is a sales book, it is a credit. On credit, this all the people are buying.
Yes.
So that will not come. Goods
Okay.
sold to little brothers. That you'll be writing. Check received from Mallika and Company. That will not writing.
Okay, ma'am.
And goods sold to Gauri Pati and Company. Goods sold. So here two entries will not be going to enter in your sales book. That is 18th one and 28th one.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
from which book you are teaching us, ma'am?
problems from which book you are
Because in
giving?
your textbook, there is no, many problems are not there.
So, ma'am, how can we understand, ma'am?
Ma, I'm sending the questions, no?
Yes.
You have to practice. You have to write the problem and you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Exam lo ledger istada.
ఇస్తారు కదమ్మా. జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీస్ రాసి లెడ్జర్ రాయమంటారు కదా. In exam, they'll ask you to do the journal and generalize and post it into the ledger.
వాళ్ళు ఇస్తేనే రాయాలి కదా మ్యామ్, లేకపోతే రాయొద్దు కదా లెక్చర్ అని.
If they give, then only you have to write. Otherwise, no. Any more doubts?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you tell me the journal entry for
problems?
paid into bank Satyam check? What is entry for this?
Question number?
Paid into bank Satyam's check. General entry.
Paid into the?
Paid into bank Satyam's check.
Bank account data to cash. Bank account data to cash account. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम
Ma'am,
नहीं start.
क्वेश्चंस कराइए ना आप.
क्या माँ?
मैम
टेक्स्ट बुक्स में से ही क्वेश्चंस कराइए बोल रहे हैं.
टेक्स्ट बुक में से वही है, ये भी वही है. कितने क्वेश्चंस दी मैं आप लोगों को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. आप टेक्स्ट बुक नको बोलो मेरे को. I have given you many of the questions. How many questions I gave, ma? Homework?
But that questions are not in our test books, na?
That's why I have sent in the group, no?
Okay.
that are
How to
important,
get-
ma'am. That's why ma'am is given.
How to get
Okay,
answer,
okay,
ma'am?
okay.
Even the answers also there. The down answers are not there, ma?
There is
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Answers are there.
It's there.
Ma, you think you see one only the thing is, don't see the answer. You follow the
Yeah, yeah.
procedure.
Okay, ma'am.
With the amount where you have to put, whether it is a credit column, you put in the credit column, debit column and debit column. Answer means only 1 mark is for answer. If you go with the procedure and whatever the entries you know you post means for that entries you will be getting the marks. Okay?
मैम मैं ग्रुप में ऐड नहीं हूँ मैम, मुझे ऐड कर.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम.
Rahul, Muttayaba,
हेलो मैडम, मैं स्नेहा गाइड हूँ. मुझे ग्रुप में ऐड करना है.
yes, Rahul, Chandu, Preethi. Rahul is not there.
no.
No ma'am.
And who is the next one, ma? Admin?
Chandu is also not there, ma'am.
Chandu is also not there.
Yes, ma'am.
And even I gave to one girl, no?
Yes. He's also,
Trisha.
even though she is also not there, ma'am.
She is also not there.
No, ma'am.
What is your name?
Mallikarjun.
What is your name, ma?
Mallikarjun.
Huh?
Mallikarjun.
Mallikarjun.
Mallika?
Mallikarjun.
Mallikarjun. Okay. How many are not joining the group?
स्नेहा गाइड.
Ma, who can take the next one initiation?
मैम मैं चैट बॉक्स पे मेरा नाम और मेरा फोन नंबर डाल दी मैडम. स्नेहा गायकवाड़.
You can make. I informed Rahul to add them.
Muskan, you are sending number to whom, beta?
I am also not there in the group, ma'am. The number, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll ask Rahul to add them, ma'am.
Then next, who can take the initiation, ma?
Take care of all of them.
Huh?
I will take.
Amer, you are there, admin, ma?
Madam, this is your number. 1634. Hello.
Hello.
Madam, your number 986634.
Ma, who is in the group, ma?
I am there, madam.
Who is there? Amer, you are there, no? Just you note down that numbers. Amer, the students who are all giving the number, just you note down and you send to this in the group.
Okay.
Amer.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir, Pranita.
Ma'am, that one group is already full, ma'am.
Next group is there, no? What is that? Financial accounting.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'll see on that who is that.
I'm not there in first group, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I send my number in chat box, ma'am?
No, beta. Amer is taking the numbers. He will send.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Ayesha is sending the link. I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayesha, you have sent the link, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
That group is full, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
No, second one I sent it.
It's not there, beta.
That is also.
Okay, ma'am. I got the link, ma'am.
You all join with the link, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Mallikarjun and who are all there, no? Just you join with the link. Okay.
Two groups are coming full, ma'am.
One group is full. The other one they have made.
That is also like that. Ma'am, please create another group, ma'am. New one.
No. She's there. No, Ayesha is there. No, she'll take it.
Two groups are full. Error is coming, ma'am.
No, which is I sent, that is not full.
Become computers is now new group created.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayesha she sent the already link, ma'am, but that is also full, ma'am.
Groups are full.
That is also full.
Okay, wait, I sent another one.
We'll create one group and we'll do that.
And now one group is created, ma'am. That one become computer. That is okay now. Working.
Okay. You create one, ma. So now I'm taking the creation.
Ma'am.
Depreciation means what?
Deduction.
That is reducing the value of the asset. Okay, reducing the value in the asset. So in this, in the depreciation, we have types of depreciation. So you have to keep in your mind that is
Ma'am, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
So you have a network issue. Huh? Here, I'll explain, and tomorrow I'm going to do, because today in our area we have some network issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I'll explain you. Tomorrow I'll do the problems and I'll send you homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Here, depreciation means always the depreciation means it's means that
Ma'am,
ma.
डिसेबल कर दीजिए मैम, म्यूट कर दीजिए.
Okay, fine. So here in the depreciation, that is a depreciation means there is a fall in the value of an asset. Now, suppose you are buying an asset, that will be, the value will be fall. That is according to the permanent continuous dilute, that is the quantity and the quality. Suppose you have bought the TV and next month you want to sell it. Everyone, what did they tell? It is a second hand. So decrease the value and give me. Is it right? So then the diminishing the quality and the quantity or the value of an asset. So according to the American Institute that is certified, that is public accountant, there is a depreciation amount, that is a depreciation accounting is a system of accounting which aim to distribute the cost. Whatever the cost it has, that should be estimated, and the useful, how much the year you have used. According to that only, the value should be decreased. Not complete, you cannot make it. Only the value of the machine which is used for how many years and how many days. So actually, when you buy the machine in the companies, the machine will be used for 5 years, then it will be sale out. So here that is a system of accounting which aims to be distributed the cost or other basic value of tangible capital assets. Tangible means where we can touch it. And here they will be removing the slavage, that is a scrap value, and that is in a systematic rational manner. And depreciation is in the year, that is in which year you are making the proportion of the total charges under such a system, where is allocating in a year. In a year, how much the depreciation you have to take out and how much that is take it down, that is what is the percentage and which method you are following. Is it clear? So here characteristics of this depreciation is, it is gradual and it is permanent and continuously. Means first year when you are depreciation, in the first year you are making the depreciation straight line method. In the next year you cannot go with the fixed method. Straight line method mein nahi ja sakte. So once which method you are using from the starting, that should be continued for the followed years. Is it clear? So when you are taking in 1 year, the difference, that is one is in the diminishing, the other one is the straight line method, means it will be making the difference for the calculation of the machine cost value. And here depreciation is also process of accounting, that is a cost of period of its life and not valuation of fixed asset. And depreciation is a substitute for repairs, but it is provided for in addition to repairs and maintains. So here whatever the repairs or installation, if you buy the machine for 1 lakh and installation amount is a 5,000, means including that amount only it will be taken, the depreciation. If suppose if you are taking the fixed line, that is a straight line method, means whatever the depreciation as amount is taken for the first year, the same amount will be continued for the followed years. Got my point? So like this is the depreciation rises due to the use of depreciation. Kab use hota, kab raise hota, when is the using the value of your asset. Got my point? So here depreciation will be charged a fixed, and it is also charged against the profit. If you are getting the profit, according to that, whether it are minus, it is a values can be deducted. Total depreciation of an asset cannot be exceed its depreciation value, cannot be exceeded more than the value. Got my point? And here we have the reasons, and we'll be taking the types of methods of the providing the depreciation. One is a fixed install. Tomorrow I'll give the notes for this. Fixed installment method, we have the theory. In the depreciation, one they give the theory, the other one they'll give the problem. So here methods of depreciation, it is a fixed method, fixed installment method. The next is a straight line, or the fixed method, and the straight line is one and the same. Diminishing or the decreasing is the written down value, and the diminishing value is the same. And next is the so depends upon this methods only. Most of the problems you'll be getting in the diminishing and the return, that is a fixed method, and the written down value method. And the third one is the annuity method, and the fourth one is a depreciation fund method or the sinking fund method. And the next is the insurance policy method, sum of the digits method, revaluation method, depletion method, machine hour rate method. So when you get this question, explain the types of methods of the depreciation, means you have to explain these all the 9 methods, where you have in the middle you have to write the formulas wherever it is provided. Got my point? Is understood? So tomorrow it is clearly I'll be doing the problems. So here today evening I'll be sending the questions. So you see that and don't tell madam हमारे textbook में से नहीं करा है. So here most of the people who will set the paper, they will be not taking from only your textbooks में से नहीं लेते. They will be referring the different textbooks. That's why I am referring the different textbook. Got my point? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, any doubts is there? So, you are all not done the homework, and the students who are all joined today in the group, just the student, just once again you send the questions, ma. They'll also practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So tomorrow you all join by 11:15.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So today I'm leaving. So tomorrow this 15 minutes I'll be taking tomorrow 11:15. Or else if not join in the 11:15, I'll be taking till 1:45.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell me, ma'am.
In paid into bank Satyam's check, why we are using bank account data to cash account data? Here
Because they are paying in the
Satyam's
check,
check. Satyam's account.
How you'll write Satyam's account? Satyam is paying, that is in the bank account.
So check
This
here.
contra
That's
entry.
why we are writing cash.
Contra
Okay,
entry.
Yes,
And
yes,
that
bank
is
and cash
contra
entry.
Okay.
One more, ma'am. Received the check for ₹1,000 from Mohan and paid the same into bank. Here also same bank account data to cash account data, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
My students who are come today and join today, you all do the problems.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't see the answer. Don't see the answer. You follow the method.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
नेक्स्ट क्लास है ना? हेलो
Hello. Hello.
మేడం రీకాన్సిలేషన్ 1 and 2 చెప్పలేరు అనుకుంటా మేడం.
Hello. Hello. There?
Guys, madam is there or not?
No. No, no.
Oh. Okay. Anybody say that block 3 is madam said or not? Hello. ఇది బ్యాంక్ రీకాన్సిలేషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంది కదండి, అది చెప్పిందా లేదా మేడం? అర్థం కాలే. లాస్ట్ వీక్ లో ఐ థింక్ ఓన్లీ క్యాష్ బుక్ ట్రిపుల్ కాలమ్ క్యాష్ బుక్ చెప్పారు కదా. ఓకే, కొంచెం దాని లింక్ ఉంటే నాకు కొంచెం సెండ్ చేస్తారా? హలో.
హలో.
కొంచెం దాని లింక్ ఉంటే సెండ్ చేయగలుగుతారా?
ఎలా సెండ్ చేయాలి? ఎలా సెండ్ చేయాలి? హలో.
హలో. హలో.
Hello. 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 Anybody is there?
Yes, what happened?